Holodex is becoming popular among trading card collectors because it promises fast AI-powered card verification, grading insights, and authenticity checks. But before you use Holodex to verify cards, there are a few important things you should know. Now, to be fair, tools like this can genuinely be useful. AI image analysis has improved a lot, and digital verification tools may help collectors spot obvious fakes, compare card details, or organize collections more easily. What it does well can help identify obvious counterfeit cards. AI image scanning may catch major printing errors, incorrect fonts, colors, or fake patterns. Convenient and fast. Instead of manually researching every detail, users can quickly upload photos and get feedback within seconds. Where the hype falls apart, AI verification is not foolproof. This is the biggest issue. Even advanced image analysis can miss high-quality counterfeits or incorrectly flag legitimate cards. Lighting and photo quality heavily affect results. Blurry photos, shadows, bad angles, or poor lighting can completely change the accuracy of the analysis. It should not replace professional grading services. If you own expensive or rare cards, expert authentication from established grading companies is still far more reliable. So, should you trust Holodex to verify cards? Short answer: it may be useful as a secondary tool, but it should not be treated as perfect authentication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.